Hello, good morning. Let's continue with our session. We'll start off where we left in the last session. So, in this session, we will cover editors in Unix, processes and related commands, filters, and general purpose commands. Editors in Unix. Editor is a tool to enter and store documents and files. There are two types of editors available in Unix environment: line editor, visual screen editor. EX is a sample of line editor. VI is a powerful editor provided by Unix. VI has different modes of operation: input mode, command mode, EX mode. Escape key is used to switch between command and input mode. The escape key followed by colon is used to invoke EX commands from within VI. So VI is the most popular editor for Unix. VI is complex, but once you get a hang of it, you will love to use VI. So command line options for VI. VI file name creates a new file or opens a existing file for editing. VI minus R file name, an option used to recover files. VI minus R list all files saved during system crashes is displayed. VI plus file name, it edits the last portion of the file and places the cursor on the last line. VI plus pattern plus slash pattern file name, screen features first occurrence of the pattern. Colon WQ saves all changes and exits. Colon W saves all changes but does not exist. Colon Q allows quitting VI if changes made are saved. Colon Q exclamation mark allows to exit VI without saving change. Capital ZZ saves all changes and exits. Here you do not have to press the return key. Entering text mode in VI, escape key used to come out of input mode. After escape key, these are the options. A appends the text after the current cursor position. Capital A append the text at the end of the current line. I small I insert text to the left of the cursor. Capital I insert text at the beginning of the current line. Small o opens a new line below the cursor position and gets ready for text insertion. Capital O opens a new line above the current cursor position and gets ready for text insertion. Small r replaces a single character by a single character at the current cursor position. Capital R replaces text of the cursor position to the right. Small s replaces a single character under current cursor position with any number of characters. Capital S replaces the entire line. Cursor navigation in VI. K or up arrow, cursor moves up one line. H or left arrow or backspace key, cursor moves one character to the left. Capital I or right arrow moves cursor character to the right. J or down arrow moves cursor down by one line. Cursor is moved to the beginning of the line. Dollar cursor is moved to the end of the line. Enter cursor is moved to the first non-blank character of the next line. Capital H cursor is moved to the first character of the first line of the screen. Capital M cursor is moved to the first character of the middle line of the screen. Capital L cursor is moved to the first character of the last line of the screen. 0 moves cursor to the beginning of the line. Capital B moves cursor back to the beginning of the word. Capital E moves cursor forward to the end of the word. Capital W moves cursor forward to the beginning of the word. Screen control in VI. Control F scrolls forward one full screen. Control V scrolls backward one full screen. Control small u scrolls upward by half screen. Control D scrolls downward by half screen. Control I refresh screen page. Searching for pattern and editing in slash pattern, cursor is placed at the first character of the first occurrence of the pattern. Slash search repeatedly in forward direction, question mark pattern, search in backward direction, question mark, search repeatedly in backward direction, G pattern 1, S slash slash pattern 2 slash G pattern 1 is replaced with pattern 2. If the last G is omitted, only single occurrence of in a line is replaced. Deletion operation in VI, small x deletes one character of cursor, nx deletes n characters starting from the cursor position, capital X deletes character before the cursor position, dw deletes word, dd deletes the entire line, d0 deletes the beginning of the deletes to the beginning of the line, capital D or D dollar deletes cursor to the end of the line, end of the line. Joining two or more lines, capital J joins one line with the cursor with the line below it. NJ joins n consecutive lines starting from the line with the cursor. Set or command can also be abbreviated to SC. SCIC ignore case while searching for pattern. SCAI causes automatic indentation. SC no AI nullifies the effect of AI. SCNU displays the line numbers of the screen. SC no NU nullifies the effect of SCNU. SCSW is equal to n sets the value of shift bit to n. SC show mode displays the message when VI is in input mode. SC displays all options that are currently set. Yanking and pasting text. Small yy or capital Y yank or anchor the current line. NYY or N capital Y yanks N line including the current line. P lower paste the young text below the current line. P capital paste the young line above the current line. Undoing, small u undoes the last changes made, capital U undo all changes made to the current line since the cursor was moved to the current line. Repeating the last instruction with changes editing buffer can be repeated using dot. Text movement CW watch pointed by cursor is replaced by the text center. C dollar works till the end of the line is replaced by the text center. CC to change the entire line. Editing multiple files E file name. Stop editing current file name and edit the file name. E exclamation file name, same as above but abundant changes made to the current file. E exclamation loads last saved edition of the current file. E hash returns to the editing the most recently edited file. N edit next file. So that's about VI. Some VI we can test it out. So we have a file test.sh. VI. This is how you open existing file test.sh. Escape dollar to the end of the line. Escape A. Then you can escape I. Then you can insert I am learning VI. Escape WQ saves the file. So it requires a little bit of practice, but once you are done with your practice, you will feel very comfortable using the VI editor. So next is the processes. Processes is Unix. Processes and swap area, parent and child processes, mechanism of process, background processing, processes related commands. What is a process? Files and processes are two central concepts in the Unix system model. Any program written in high-level language is also a type of file and exists on the disk. To execute the program should be loaded into the main memory from the secondary memory. Main memory is also called as a core. A process is an instance of an execution of a program. Many instances of various programs are executing simultaneously in the memory. Main memory may get exhausted, so kernel may swap some of them into secondary memory. Swap area and separate are separate from file system area. Kernel identified each process by unique number called process identification number or PID. This is between 0 to 32767. Every process has its own parent or creator. Process giving birth to a new process is called a parent. Newborn process is called a child process. There can be many child for one parent. All processes have parent process except the kernel process. Process is a Unix is created with a fork system call. Fork creates a copy of the process that invokes it. Copy has different PID than the original copy. Child overrides the image with the program to be executed using exec system call. Parent executes the wait system call to keep waiting for the child process to complete. Child process sends a terminal signal to the parent after completing execution. Concept of fork Unix system call for process creation. The fork system call creates a child process that is clone of a parent. The child has a copy of the parent's virtual memory. Child is running the same program as the parent. Child inherits open file descriptors from the parent. Parent and child file descriptor point to a common entry in the system open file table. Child begins life with the same register value as parent. The child process may execute a different program in its context with a separate exec system call. This is a pictorial diagram. An example, the fork call returns twice. It returns 0 to the child and the child process to the parent. Parent uses wait to sleep until the child exists. Wait returns the child PID and scripter. Wait variants allow wait on a specific child or notification of stops on other signals. This is another example. Steps during process creation. The kernel begins a process by itself. It has a PID. Its value is 0, also referred as process 0 or shade or swapper. The shade generates another process called init process where PID 1. Init process forks, execs, get and the getty process for every active communication port. Every getty remains dormant but wakes up whenever someone attempts to log in. Getty executes login process to verify login name and password. On successful login name, login access .sh process. The login shall have the same PID number as that of Getty. Process related command PS is a process related command. So PS, and there are various options like capital detailed listing of attributes of each process. PS minus A lists out all user processes. EU displays processes owned by specific user. E displays system process. Also F displays details about ancestry of the process. So basically the command is PS minus AEF. So you can see these are all the processes that are running on the Unix server. So you can use the PS command. Background process. Unix is a multitasking system. Shell usually waits for a command or a process to terminate. Placing ampersand after the command runs it in the background. Like find slash minus name start document minus print ampersand. This ampersand means it will run in the background. As soon as you fire this command, you will get the command from immediately, and the process runs in the background. Background process, after you create the background process, the following takes place. The PID is displayed in corn and POSIX shells or the C shell. Job number are assigned as well. The prompt returns so that you can enter another command. In C shell, a message is displayed when the background process is complete. Nice command allows you to reduce the priority of jobs, thereby allowing other jobs to run with high priority. By default, processes Unix are executed with equal priority. Nice minus n priority number command ampersand. Here is an example of the nice command. Higher the value, lower is the priority. Ranges from 1 to 19, 20 is the default. If no priority is specified to nice command, then default value 10 is used. NoHop command background job terminates when user logs out. NoHop command is used to permit execution of the process even when the user has logged out. The command is nohop starting with nohop. So nohop sort emp.list ampersand. So this command runs in the background and it's with a nohop. So even if you log out, the command will keep running. Terminating processes in Unix. To terminate a process in Unix, will use kill minus 9 PID. So this kills the process with the PID mentioned. Add command executes at a future date and time. So if you want to run a command at a future date and time, use the add command. Corn is used to schedule jobs at regular intervals. So with corn tab minus E, you can edit the corn tab. Corn tab minus E. There is no entry in the cron tab, so you can put your entry in the cron tab. Filters and general purpose command, standard Unix files, redirection, input, output, error files, filters and piping, searching for files, general purpose command, electronic communication in Unix. Input output redirection commands and tools can be combined with one another to do larger tasks. Flexibility of to a program receiving and sending its input output. Unix system provides some standard files. Shell opens 3 files for each program. We use file for reading data from, to a file for writing the output into, and a file for writing error message. Standard input, standard output, and standard error. Standard input is 0, standard output is 1, and standard error is 2. So input is 0, output is 1, and error is 2. Redirection operator less than, greater than, less than reads input from the file name following the operator, greater than output is written to the file name following the operator. 2 greater than symbol similar to greater than redirection operator file name following the operator to become the new standard output, but in this case shall append the command's output to an existing file. Standard input file can be redirected from a file with redirection operator. Commands that accept input from standard input can redirect. The greater than and greater than are used for output redirection. Redirecting standard error. Here you can see the standard error is redirected to /dev/null. 2 is redirected to /dev/null. What is the filter? Program that perform the following task: take input from standard input or other file, some operation on that data, write the result to standard output or some other file. Not all commands are filter. Common filters are sort, grep, and cat, etc. What is piping? Piping is commands combine together stream of data to be passed between them. Output of one command is given as an input to the next command. It is represented by a symbol pipe. Output of command 1 becomes the input of command 2. Command 1 pipe command 2. Example ls minus lrt pipe grep xyz. So ls minus lrt, this command executes first, then the output is fed to this next command grep xyz. Key handles the character string by splitting it into two components, sends one to the standard output, the other to the specified file. Who pipe key user.txt displays the output of key who and stores it in user.txt. Searching for the file, the find command is used to search for the file. There are some options like -print displays the path name detected, -exec performs stated command non-interactively, -ok performs stated command interactively, -type to list of a certain type, -name search for the matching given pattern, at time in searches all file access n days ago, m time in searches files modified n days ago. WC commands. WC counts the number of line, character, word in a file. WC option -l number of lines in the file, -w number of words in the file, -c number of characters in the file. TR command is a filter which maps characters. Splitting a file horizontally, we have a head command, head minus n3 imp.list. If no number of lines are specified, then top 10 lines are printed. Splitting the file horizontally, tail command displays the end of the line. If no count is specified, last 10 lines are displayed. Vertically is a cut command. Splitting the file vertically is a cut command. Cut option -c cuts column is specified character position, -f cuts field with tab is the default delimiter. D changes the delimiter from tab to any other character. So who cut -d space -f1. Combining two or more files, we have the paste command, paste -d cast list 1, cast list 2. So it will join, it will combine the two files, cast list 1 and cast list 2. To compare two files, we have the cmp command and we also have the diff command. This is the diff command. There are various options for the diff command. Then we have the sort command. There are many examples of the sort command. Sorts the content of a file in alphabetic or numeric order. Each line is considered to consist of fields. Fields are assumed to be separated by means of spaces. Sort command has these options: -r reverse order, -s numeric order, -m ignore case, -b Ignore leading blanks and tabs. Minus O saves the output of sort in a file. Minus the delimiter is other than space can be specified. Searching for a pattern, we have the grep command, global regular expression printer. It has various options minus C, minus L, minus N, minus H, minus S, minus V, minus I. Grep expressions, these are the grep, different types of grep expressions. A seed is line addressing command, and awk is another versatile programming language. So you can use the awk command to do some amount of programming. Next is communication in Unix. We have the message command, we have the write command, we have the mail utility, talk command. Message option, it will print the message. Write username TTY name, it will write the message to that terminal. Mail utility is used to send mails from Unix system. Mail username, then type the message and terminate it with Control T. To read mail, mail. So if I just type mail, what will happen? No mail for this user. So similarly, you can write mail, talk command. You can talk to another terminal or user in Unix. So that's it pretty much. Thank you. Bye.